Hello everyone, this is my first Java project and let's see how the user can play this game. So let's go in IntelliJ and here is the code. I have provided this whole code in GitHub. The link is given in description. You can check out this code. So whole code is written in Java, and by the way the concept is uses methods and use of variables. Basically variables are here is very important, because if you mess any variables then the output will going to be changed completely. So 1 minute, I have changed something. So let's play this game now. Rerun. So